Good morning, everybody. This is a continuation of what I have been sharing with you earlier. Look here, and look here. I told you about the snake yesterday, right? So you know I was up early getting this stuff right here, and right here. That works, been working for me. My neighbor said it been working because she know when I put it down, they don't see nothing, I don't see nothing. So I want to keep it like that. So what I'm gonna do today is start spreading some of this stuff out here. This is my first goal of this morning, is to get this daggone mothballs out here and to get this daggone snake away out here. So what you're gonna be seeing me do this morning is to prepare this prepare this area for snake away. Don't want to see them no more. All right, stay with me. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna do it around my house, do it around the fence lines. I gotta go back there, go around the wood area, my garden area, and I'm gonna throw mothballs inside my garden. So I'm gonna be doing quite a few things, go back and forth. So you will see me do this part first. Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for hitting that subscribe button for my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that thumbs up to get notified when new videos are coming out, and even that bell to get notified as well. But I thank you all for just coming in and just checking out what I'm doing, what I do in my garden, as I'm cooking, as I'm out and about, and all the things that I do. Now, it's all about you doing what you do with me. So continue to do what you do and do it well. Talk to you soon. God bless. So that is it for this backyard. I'm going to go around my house and going to go by my garage door. Hey, protect your garden, protect your yard from things that you do not want to creep up on you or to come and enter. You got to do the protection. all means, do what you got to do to make it work. I heard some herbs and stuff does it too, and different things, but I know that the mothballs have been working. And what I know is that after your person does that, or you do your first cut, throw that stuff around. Get that stuff on your lawn. And they say this snake gone, you can use one seed spreader and put it all over your yard. Now, if you have pets, I wouldn't advise you to put any of these things on there, like mothball, especially if little children or pets and stuff like that might eat it and get sick. But other than that, if you train them not to go to it, be great, especially little kids. But I don't have none of them around here, and my grandkids know better. But if they know better, they do better, because I already showed them what it was and what it's for. So, I'm blessed. Miss Tish is doing what you do with Miss Tish Subdivision Garden, protecting my garden. And if you hear the music, you know I'm worshiping in my garden. So be blessed. Talk to you soon. Bye.